George Peter Murdock, a functionalist by contribution. He had defined family as a social group characterized by common residence, economic cooperation, and reproduction. It includes adults of both sexes, at least two of whom maintain a socially approved sexual relationship, and one or more children. Talcott Parsons is also a functionalist by his approach of study. According to him, the family performs two essential functions: primary socialization of children and the stabilization of adult personalities. Friedrich Engels. He believed in Marxism. According to him, the family developed to control women's sexuality and ensure the inheritance of private property through male lineage. Eli Zaretsky, a Marxist. He defined family as the family serves capitalism by providing unpaid domestic labor, reproducing the next generation of workers, and offering emotional support for the working class. Delphi and Leonard, a feminist. He defined family as a patriarchal institution where women do most of the work and men get most of the benefits. Anne Oakley, another feminist, defined family as the family socializes girls into traditional gender roles, reinforcing inequality between men and women. R.D. Laing, an interactionist. According to him, the family can be a source of emotional stress and conflict, especially in relationships between parents and children. Edmund Leach is a structuralist. He said that the nuclear family can be isolating and may lead to emotional pressure due to lack of extended family support.
Review the names of all the sociologists and their contributions to define family. Do not forget to attempt MCQ section at the end of the video. So, ready for the quiz?
Who defined family by roles and functions? A. Talcott Parsons. B. George Murdock. C. Friedrich Engels. D. Anne Oakley.
Answer is B. George Murdock.
What are Parsons' two main family functions? A. Control and income. B. Gender roles and education. C. Socialization and stability. D. Religion and support.
Answer is C. Socialization and stability.
Who linked family to control and property? A. Eli Zaretsky. B. Anne Oakley. C. Friedrich Engels. D. R.D. Laing.
Answer is C. Friedrich Engels.
What is Zaretsky's view on how family supports capitalism? A. Reduces class conflict. B. Provides unpaid labor. C. Encourages free markets. D. Enforces norms.
Answer is B. Provides unpaid labor.
What is Delphi and Leonard's view of family? A. Promotes equality. B. Neutral institution. C. Patriarchal. Benefits men. D. Reduces conflict.
Answer is C. Patriarchal. Benefits men.
According to Oakley, how family reinforces inequality? A. Gives boys more power. B. Trains girls for house roles. C. Denies women rights. D. Supports working women.
Answer is B. Trains girls for house roles.
Who saw family as causing emotional stress? A. Talcott Parsons. B. George Murdock. C. R.D. Laing. D. Eli Zaretsky.
Answer is C. R.D. Laing.
What is Leach's criticism of nuclear family? A. Builds strong community. B. Reduces class gaps. C. Causes emotional pressure. D. Creates equal roles.
Answer is C. Causes emotional pressure.